Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Adding a link to your success view provides clear instructions for what your new subscriber should do next. You can add a link to another page, or download a file with a click of a button. In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to the success message of your campaign. But first, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I'm almost finished editing the design of my campaign. I just need to add a link to my online store to encourage my new subscriber to start shopping. I could simply add a text link here and be done, but I want to make my start shopping link stand out a bit more by making it a button. So I'll delete this text block, then navigate to the home screen in the builder, and then drag and drop a button element onto my campaign. Next, I'll edit the button in the left panel. I'll change the button text, and from the button click action menu, I'll select Redirect to a URL and paste the link to my online store. I can edit the appearance of the button under the button styling options in the Advanced tab. And that's it. I just need to save my work, and my Start Shopping link is ready. I can then move on to the final steps of setting my display rules, connecting my email service provider, and then publishing the campaign. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket, and we'd be happy to help.